Alright, hey guys, I'm here at Collector's World in Annandale, Virginia. I know I'm usually breaking on a budget, but that's my name, actually, breaking on a budget. But I have a half box of this Bowman Chrome 2018. They gave me a sweet deal, and I'm going for something big. Okay, yeah, thank you. I'm not used to holding these expensive cards, you know. I'm usually opening a blaster, and if I get like a relic of Max Freed or whatever, I'm excited. First pack. Let's see if I got this right. Oh, we're here. Okay. Jaron Kendall, Cole Brannon, Troy Tulowitzki, Justin Upton, and Walker Buehler. So that's a good one. I told them I wanted to open in the store because I'm going to get a big hit. And if I don't, they should buy the rest of the box. Chance Adams, Matt Manning, I don't know how to say this guy's name. It's a Heliot or Helio Ramos. And Thomas Nito, Dustin Fowler. I feel my wife calling me in my pocket. My phone's buzzing. She must know I just spent some money on baseball cards. Yep, that was her. Third pack. Sixto Sanchez, Jose Albertos, Adam Hazley, Bowman Sterling, Andrew Stevenson, Cody Bellinger. Three more. This one has to be something good in here.
You gotta get something.
Yeah, I gotta get something. Nick Senzel, Freddie Peralta, Corey Ray, Arizona League, Jonas Cespedes, Josh Bell. Last two, it's probably the last pack that has that Ohtani.
I really hope you get that.
And I think in the one before that has Soto autograph. Brian Mundell, Justin Williams, Sean Murphy, Kevin Kiermaier, Jordan Hicks. Dang, last pack. If this doesn't have it, you better buy that last box. Luis Medina, Luis Guillorme, okay, Akil Badu. Is that a sweet autograph? So that's my auto, Mike Soroka, and Lorenzo Cain. All right, thanks so much. Take care, guys.